Hi all, welcome to the class. I am Roshna Krishnan from English option of 2022-24 batch. We all know that artificial intelligence transformed the education by enhancing the overall teaching and learning experience. In this scenario, I am here to introduce an AI tool which is very beneficial for the teachers as well as the learners who wants to make their classroom more effective and creative. And the name of the artificial intelligence tool is Curipod AI. Curipod AI is an interactive presentation tool which enables the teachers to create engaging and interactive lessons. This AI also enables the teachers to easily create lessons by simply providing the topic, the grade and the learning objectives. Before discussing how it works, we will discuss the key features and the benefits of Curipod AI. Now, let's move on to the key features of Curipod AI. First one is AI generated lesson ideas and content, which means the teaching materials are created with the assistance of AI. It generates lesson plans, activities, assessments, and educational content such as text, images, videos, and quizzes. Next is tools to customize and adapt auto generated content. There is AI's built in editor and customization option to modify the content and options to format the parameters such as tone and style. Next is interactive lessons with multimedia. The lessons can be prepared in the form of interactive presentations along with videos, images, podcast, virtual guest speakers, virtual field trip and student created content. Next is analytics to see student engagement. The teachers can analyze the student engagement by monitoring the student performance on quizzes, time spent on assignments and activities, comments, and the student feedback. Next is the benefits of Curipod AI for both teachers and the students. First is it saves the time for lesson planning by simply clicking the topic, grade, and the learning objectives. We can prepare the lessons. Next is the teachers can analyze the student engagement. Third one is the lessons are more engaging and interactive because of the incorporation of AI and multimedia. Then the multimedia content is suitable for all styles of learners. These are the benefits of Curipod AI. Let's see how it works. You can browse Curipod AI from any browser. Type just Curipod AI and go to the website curipod.com. Here you can see the option for sign up. Select sign up for teachers and then answer the question, what is your primary role? Teacher. Then type the country. Here I am typing India. Next type the name of your school. And next is the subject that we are going to teach. Here I am selecting English Language Arts. And now select the grades that we are going to teach. Here I am selecting all the classes. Then next is the page for creating a new account. Here I already have an account, so I am selecting continue with Google. You have to type your email ID and password for selecting and creating a new account. Here I am selecting continue with Google. Now we will go to the home page of Curipod AI. Here we can see the option for creating a lesson. For lesson planning, select that option, create lesson. So now in the next page we will get to see how do you want to get started. So here I am selecting generate a lesson, and in the first box enter the topic that we are going to teach. Here I am typing the poem The Village Blacksmith and the grade as 8th grade, and you can also add additional info. So this will take some time. Now we have got the interactive PPT for the poem The Village Blacksmith. There are 11 slides in this lesson. So to view that, we can click the preview option. In the first slide, we can see the title Analyzing the Village Blacksmith, Uncovering the Themes and Literary Devices with an image. And in this option, we can see the options for setting, allowing students to participate and all. In the next slide, there is a question with a timer. What do you know about blacksmiths or poetry? In the next slide, there is a general introduction to the poem along with the century, the poet, the themes of the poem, the highlights. And the next slide is the poetic structure and the literary devices used in the poem, like rhyme scheme, imagery and all. In the next slide, there is a question for the learners, like to identify a literary device along with a timer given in the screen. In the next slide, we can see an activity about the qualities and the relevance of the poem, the message given by the poem. All these are activities for the students, and we can select end lesson for completing that. Then there is also an edit option so that we can edit the given slides. Like here, I am just editing the question given and I am adding another question like, what is your opinion about the poem? We can type the question like this. So we can customize the slides with our own preferences. Many other options are available in creating a lesson. Here I am selecting establish daily routine, and from that I am selecting vocabulary. So there are many activities and games such as vocabulary hustles, Curie quiz and word wizard. Now I am selecting vocabulary hustle and clicking get lesson. Here I am customizing the lesson. I am selecting the grade as 8th and typing the vocabulary words from the poem The Village Blacksmith. So I am typing the word brownie and the next word from the poem sinewy and the third word as blacksmith. And then I am clicking get lesson. So it is customizing the game, vocabulary game. Now we will get to see the vocabulary hustle from the poem The Village Blacksmith. The rules of the game are given here. So to view the PPT, I am clicking preview. Vocabulary hustle. So in the next slide, the rules are given, and in the following slides, the word, its definition are given, and in the next slide, there is an activity for the learners to write a sentence using the word. All the words are given here so that all the learners can participate along with the timer. We can also use Curipod to end a lesson. For that, here I am selecting exit ticket. There are many options here like exit ticket with feedback, did they get it poll, exit ticket based on my text, etc. Here I am selecting did they get it poll, and we can customize the lesson by typing the topic The Village Blacksmith and clicking customize now. So by clicking, we can get the exit ticket for the lesson, that is the concluding activities. So first question is there, what is the main theme of the poem The Village Blacksmith? So that the learners can answer the question after learning the lesson. There is an option available in Curipod which is Curify My Slides. With this option, we can upload our slides and enhance into an interactive PPT. Here I am uploading a file from my device. In the first box, I am uploading my presentation. And in the second question, we can select our class and generate lesson. So here a symbol PPT is being enhanced into an interactive PPT along with questions related to the slides. Okay, now we have got the enhanced interactive PPT. We can click preview to view that. So the first slide is there. In the second slide, we can see that there is a question related to the topic and there is also a question to draw a diagram. And in the second slide also there is a topic, and followed by that there are questions and activities for reflecting on what we have learned. In this class, we have discussed the Curipod AI, its features, benefits and functioning. I hope this class was beneficial for you all. Thanks for watching.